Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy an item in Dota 2. If you are new, this solves the most common early problem, not knowing where to get items or why your hero feels weak. Once you are in a match, press the shop button on your keyboard. The shop exists so you can increase stats, survivability, and damage as the game goes on. On the left, you see categories like starting items, early game, and late game. These are grouped by timing, not hero type. Right-click an item, and if you are near the fountain or a shop, you will buy it instantly. If you are far away, the item goes to your stash.
Moves me. Zip.
But you can still get your item by using your courier. There's also another shop in these locations called Secret Shop. Some core components of an item path can be found here.
Ah.
And that's how to buy an item in Dota 2. Thank you so much for watching.